Good morning. It's morning, right?
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes.
That's it. I'm killing her. Howdy, y'all. Wow, it sounds like shit. I don't know. Why are you so mean?
Look at you get it to the red. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What the fuck?
You're making music.
Whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa. My ears are like round hills.
What's up? Why you doing shit? Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. Wait. Is that better? Not really.
I look like a fishy.
Fuck fishes.
Why do you keep pointing the camera at me, dude? Because you're so beautiful. I'm not. Yeah, you are. This. Look, you're beautiful.
You look like a dinosaur. Get out of my head.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Who the hell do you think you are?
Listen, what you want? I'm not a dinosaur, okay? I'm a monster. I'm a monster. I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm gonna kill you. What can I hit you with?
I'm going. Flashlight! You're beating me up with my own light source. It's not. It hurts. It kind of burns a little bit. Ah!
Yeah.
I think I just saw your eyeballs. It's your eyeball.
Eyeball.
You're blinding people. They're such good people. Why are you doing that to them? It's so mean. Oh, not me. That's not funny. Don't do that. Who's blinding? Right? Just laughs.
Jake knows how to have fun.
It's a fun time. He's not even looking at it. Isn't it blinding? Your face. You look like a deer. What?
Deer in the headlights.
Oh yes. Wow. Do that again.
It sounds terrible.
It sounds like a crocodile.
You sound like a crocodile.
You though.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Say bye, Travis. Bye! Goodbye. Peace. Farewell.